are released. 3, 2, 1, now.
Signal 991, 6 up. You can flight 991, get into tower, runway 31 right, wind 240,
airspeed building. 100 knots.
Power set.
You can fly to 831, just hold short of the runway. Hold short.
P1. Rotate. P2. Positive climb, turn.
Gear up, please.
Gear.
Speedbird 2 heavy. Contact your departure now.
So long, Speedbird 2. 3, 2, 1,
You can fly
noise.
831, wind 240, caution wake turbines, departure heavy jet, taxi in position and off. Position and hold, legal 831. I'm sorry, just airborne the call sign again. 260 uniform Romeo.
Sergeant, good morning. Speedbird Concorde 2 is climb is cleared, 5,000 feet.
I stand by 260 uniform Romeo, New York, go fly heading at 260. 260 uniform Romeo.
Sending reach to go.
Concorde 2 heavy near departure, radar contact, climb maintain
235.
Climb maintain 13,000, Speedbird 2.
091 heavy contacting at departure, 124.75, good
And the after takeoff check, please.
3,000.
3,000 feet, thank you.
13 checks.
After takeoff check.
Landing gear.
Mouth lights off and neutral.
Landing lights.
Taxi turn still on.
Master warning.
Very cool.
Hi, good morning. Departure, wind 2167 Alpha, looking at 5,000.
7 Alpha, get that grounding, heading out to 3013.
Speedbird 2 standing by heading.
Speedbird 2 heavy, turn left in 130. 67 Alpha, Candy
Regular, 130 sets.
over.
We got the outfit.
Approaching 2,500
Okay,
feet.
the radial's active.
Thank you. A bit more bank on there.
1 dot to go.
That'll be okay on the radio.
2 heavy, 1 able to direct ship.
Turn down ship, Speedbird 2.
Throttling.
Okay.
Getting out to
Direct ship now then, so
Yep.
well done on the INS, thank you very much. Coming up towards 5 miles. My throttles.
Do you have them?
And New York Speedbird 2 on course ship, okay, 3 speed.
I don't know, 5,000 feet, that's right.
Broadcast Speedbird 2.
And the nose visor up, please.
Okay, check. No. And the visor.
Eagle 831, we're on a direct at 1.125.
Those visors up and right after takeoff check is complete.
Thank you very much. Through 5,000, increase our speed.
751 Speedbird 2 heavy contact, New York Center 134.55, good day.
13455 Speedbird 2, thank you, help line.
Thank you. After takeoff check complete, is it, Roger?
Affirmative.
Thank you very much.
New York Center, good morning. Speedbird Concorde 2, climb is cleared, 130 on course ship. Climb maintain 15,000, Speedbird 2. 15,000.
checks.
Checks.
So we're climbing now through 6,000 feet. Kennedy is 10 miles behind us, just accelerated through 300 knots. Up to our normal climb speed, which will be as near to BMO as we can get. It'll be about 395 knots. We've been cleared up to 15,000 feet. I hope and anticipate what we're going to do is get a continuous climb before we get to 15,000 feet. They'll give us a higher level. We're just approaching Mach number of 0.7, and when we do, that'll be another trigger for an item on the checklist, and Roger will be going through that checklist in just a few seconds' time.
Okay, that's 100, Michael.
Two 313 on. 20R92 is set. That was a climb check. It's now 10 for 23 with a prime.
That's it.
At 0.7 Mach, we start to move the fuel rearwards. As you can see from these two amber indicators, they indicate the fore and aft limits and are governed by the Mach number. This one has started to move rearward, and we now have to move the centre of gravity to keep it between the two. I select rearward movement, remove the D-air pump from tank 11, and we are now in a position where the tank 9 pumps are switched on. Fuel is transferring through the aircraft into tank 11 through these inlets, and the gauge should start to increase. The fuel is moving rearwards, Dave.
Thank you, Roger.
We also confirm that the takeoff CG switch is in the normal position. We've now finished with the brake fans. We don't need them anymore until we come into land, so we actually turn those off. We also had the engine control schedule set to flyover to minimise the noise during our takeoff. We can now select it to normal in preparation for our supersonic climb. The flight deck door switch is selected to normal, and we check to make sure that the seatbelt sign is switched off. Taxi turn lights.
They're off.
Thank you. The climb check is complete. The fuel is running aft.
Thank you, Roger. Altimeter check, please.
Okay, 200 up to 230, that's prime. 2992 set, and